Good morning everyone. So the page number in your textbook that you need today is page 178. Okay, if you're ever unsure of the page numbers that you need, on the plan that we send you weekly there it will say on each day which numbers you need. Okay, right, so we are on lesson 3 of pictograms or pictographs. This pictograph is telling us information and it's telling us how many animals Charles sees in the zoo. So he sees some tigers, he sees some giraffes, he sees some elephants and he sees some monkeys. And it says that each circle, each orange circle, stands for one animal. So before we do anything, I always count them and write it down so I don't forget. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. He saw 10 tigers. 2, 4. We can see straight away that that's 2, 4, 6. Wonder if you notice anything about these numbers. We'll come back to that. Right, this time I want to put it in a tally and a table. Who can remember what a tally is? That's right, it's where we do little lines instead of circles. So if the tigers, he saw 10, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, when we get to a multiple of 5, we must put a line through it because then straight away we can see that that's 5. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Okay, you saw 4 giraffes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 elephants and 6 monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we need to put it into a table. For a table, we just need to write the number. So how many tigers did he see? He saw 10. How many giraffes? 4. How many elephants? 2. And how many monkeys? 6. Well done. Right, but we've got a challenge, okay? I want to now use this circle. Instead of each circle standing for 1, I want each circle to stand for 2 animals. Okay, so if Charles, I think it was Charles, saw 10 tigers, do you think I need to draw 10 circles? No. What I'm going to do is I'm going to count in my 2s up to the number 10. Some of you might know what something times 2 is to get to 10 and might know how many circles we need, but just to check, I'm going to count in my 2s as I do it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, let's check. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's correct. So each circle stands for 2 animals. It's much easier instead of drawing lots of circles. He saw 4 giraffes. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that's not correct because each circle stands for 2. If that was correct, it would be 2, 4, 6, 8. He didn't see 8 giraffes. He saw 4. Let's count in our 2s again. 2, 4. He saw 2 elephants. 2. As easy as that. And he saw 6 monkeys. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay? And what if you noticed earlier, when I asked you at the beginning, they are all in the 2 times tables. That's why we can do it where each circle stands for 2 animals. Okay, now we've got some questions, some statements that these children are saying, and we need to decide if they are correct or not. So Charles asks Lulu, okay, which of the 4 animals did he see the least of? So the fewest, and the fewest means the smallest amount. And Lulu is saying he saw the fewest elephants. So have a look at this table. So we've got tiger, giraffe, elephant and monkey. So Lulu thinks he saw the fewest elephants. Do you agree? That's right, he did, because 2 is smaller than the other numbers. And we can see that on the pictograms very clearly. Okay, well done. Right. Elliot, oh sorry, who's this one? Ruby's saying, how many elephants did Charles see? And Elliot's saying he saw one elephant. He saw one elephant. Well, he did, there's only one circle there. No, what we always need to look carefully under the table. It says each circle stands for 2 animals. So he didn't see one animal, he saw 2 elephants. Well done. Elliot is incorrect. He's not read it properly. He's not read that it says each circle stands for 2 animals. He didn't see 1 elephant, he saw 2 elephants. Okay, so well done if you got that correct. Now, Sam is asking Amira, I think, how many animals did Charles see in the zoo? She thinks he saw 22 animals altogether. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, because each circle stands for 2. Although if there are 11 dots, we could times that by 2. 11 times 2 is... Or, to double check, we can count in our 2s. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So is the scale correct? Is Amira correct? That's correct. He did see 22 animals in the zoo altogether. Well done. Right, this time we've got a challenge. We want to put the animals into a different kind of table. One, if you saw 5 or fewer of them, and some in this side if you saw more than 5. Okay, so let's have a look. So, tiger, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, tiger going 5 or fewer or more than 5? That's right, because 10 is more than 5. So, tiger will go in this side of the table. Okay, what about giraffe? 2, 4. Will it boom? Wrong way. 4. Will a giraffe go in 5 or fewer or more than 5? That's correct, 5 or fewer, because 4 is fewer than 5. Okay. The elephant, 2. Elephant, 5 or fewer or more than 5? Correct, 5 or fewer, because 2 is fewer than 5. And the last one, the monkeys, 2, 4, 6. It is more than 5 because 6 is more than 5. Well done. Okay, right now I have created my own guided practice, so you might want to pause the video. I'm going to read through it because the questions are very small, but you can go back and watch it again if you need to, or you can answer these questions in your exercise book. And it says, Year 2's favourite sports. Okay, so we've got football, rugby, tennis, cricket and dance. And it says, look, I've got to look carefully at all of the information, that a star equals 2 people. So 3 people don't like football because each star stands for 2. Okay, so we would go 2, 4, 6. So 6 people like football. Okay, how many like rugby? How many like tennis? How many like cricket? And how many like dance? Okay, so your first question, how many children chose football as their favourite sport? The next question, how many children chose dance as their favourite sport? As many children chose something as they did something else. So which 2 sports have the same amount of children? How many more children chose dance than football? We're comparing how many more chose this. So we subtract football's amount and see what we've got left. And how many children were in the class? How many children were in the class? Okay, when you've done that, your workbook pages, like I've said, it's on your sheet that gets delivered to you, but if you're unsure, it's page 237. And it looks like that to 240. And I think pictograms is a really nice topic. So if you have any free time and you want to create your own pictograms, and showing different information that you've made up, that could be great. Okay? Right, good luck. Please upload your photos to your portfolios. Thank you.